All right. The night just started. Can we settle down? Yeah. Settle down. It's a long night. We prepare, come. So next up, we'll take 2 comedic breaks. Then we'll go back to music. And the surprise coming. All right? So this guy is my friend. We're in Ghana together last week. One of Nigeria's funniest comedians. Lagos, please make some noise for the one and the only Buchi. Remember.
Thank you. Everybody, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Bros, what's it cause quarrel? I just come, wait till make you the verse. Who? Not be me killing mama now. My papa died, not supporting me. I don't know why. Papa and mama, who strong pass? They go put us for group that they donate 500,000. As I get 15,000, they delete me. So now, they don't delete me. I'm not going to explain myself. So I get to call the administrator of the group. So it's not really about the money. It's the thought that really counts. You understand? To me, I said 15,000 for now. Now, they call everybody for the group. I beg you, I'm not too vessel. Now, just the situation of things. Not beside for no ad. Because I know they like do the way past me. They like monitor my power where I don't have any point to prove. I don't have any point to prove. That's why I like me, Abi. Where does sir? This guy and I pay for table. You want to make sure say use the table money finish. Okay, is this your table by chance? Oh, it's no wonder. You want mic? You want to perform a bit so that you know that you had the full. It remains more therefore put your table on top stage. This guy be like, no, push it. I want to be able to touch the comedian's leg as I perform it. I just tell the girl, see your girl not define anything funny. Madam, what's happen? Are you from Ikorodu? They calculate going back. Madam, a comedy show, and I don't already pay. They waste your organ money as you know they laugh.
70 years old man.
If you are not a wicked person, you should be laughing and falling on the floor. I mean, so that you know it's worth it. Now, just chop, they do now. Not the one that they talk. No, my sister, if you are hungry, let me perform finish. You want to fuck somebody's eye? You are distracting me because if they make hungry, they catch me. The show is far gone. I know this is funny, but they talk say show is just starting. It's comedians, they can give hype. Show is just starting by this time. Okay, so maybe by 7:30 the show will be coming to an end. I mean, if it's just starting. Well, who knows? Hey, Mune, what's up? Where was JJ Day? I love JJ. JJ is one person that doesn't talk too much. He's a doer. But please, if you're a Nigerian police officer here, I have a problem with you people. I don't know, say since this lockdown reached, Nigerian police will get extra power. They never stop you 5 minutes past 12 before. Say you just drive, my brother. Now there you know, say Nigerian police, park! Up! I said, park! Officer, stay front, stay front! The driver crack on, Oga! I did with JJ for SIMO. Everybody know JJ now. The guy don't need to introduce us. JJ come online, they do like this. They say, we'll fire you. Oga, park now. We're not here to play. Park! Now I say, bros, park. This is why they shot like this. Now night be this so before they go say na mistaking, I beg. Now the guy wind down. As he wind down, the next one I hear, JJ, your boy is there here now. You just won't drive, leave us. Why they do like this? Now your boys. And they humble themselves, they beg you. See, we are all human beings, you understand? If not for condition, I won't be here. My first one is in the university. I know what I go through. Now there you go, no police. How much the police are? 36,000. What can you do? Me, JJ, can't do mistake like this. I'll see you guys later. And then you know, say Nigeria police. Oga, you say what? I said I will see you. Okay then, park, let's walk. Clear way, let's have a walk. Come down, this is stop passage. Everybody down. Lose the tires, they hide cooking there. Down! down. You don't know us. Now you're going to say, oh, yeah, can't take Martin. Oh, guys, too late. We'll fire you now. Ladies and gentlemen, I just came to say hi. We still have, the show is just getting started. Well, a lot of the other people, we go continue. Come on.
Baby, let's do it. Let's go, let's do it. Baby, let's do it.
All right.